Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can change line spacing and paragraph spacing in Word. Line spacing is the amount of space between each line in your paragraph. Paragraph spacing is the amount of space before and after the paragraphs in a document. You can adjust the default line spacing and paragraph spacing settings on the Indents and Spacing tab of the Paragraph dialog box. Before you do this, however, first select the paragraphs to adjust in the document. To adjust a single paragraph, simply click into it. To adjust multiple paragraphs, click and drag over the paragraphs to select them. To then open the Paragraph dialog box in Word to set the line spacing and paragraph spacing for the selected paragraphs, click the Paragraph dialog box button in the lower right corner of the Paragraph button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. If needed, then click the Indents and Spacing tab to view and change these settings. You can set all of the properties of selected paragraphs by using this dialog box. Separately, the Alignment drop-down that appears in the General section lets you apply paragraph alignment. To set the paragraph indentation, use the Spinner boxes checkbox and drop-down that appears within the Indentation section. To set the line and paragraph spacing, use the Spinner boxes checkbox and drop-down that appears in the Spacing section. The Before and After boxes determine the amount, measured in points, of spacing before and after the selected paragraphs. Set both the amount of spacing before and after each paragraph by using the spinner arrows next to each box. To not add paragraph spacing between paragraphs of the same style, check the Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs of the Same Style checkbox. To set the line spacing for the selected paragraphs, use the Line Spacing drop-down and, if needed, the adjacent At spinner box. Any changes you make to the spacing, alignment, and indentation appears in the Preview window at the bottom of the Paragraph dialog box. After setting the properties of the selected paragraphs, then click the OK button at the bottom of the Paragraph dialog box to apply your changes and close the dialog box. Alternatively, to quickly change line spacing for a selected paragraph in Word, click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button in the Paragraph button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. You can then click to select a choice from the drop-down menu of frequently used line spacing sizes. The line spacing you select from the drop-down menu of choices is then applied to the selected paragraph or paragraphs.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.